Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a whole nother day. This is not pertaining to the Atlanta vlog, but I did want to include this to be in this video because we are going through a very significant time in history right now. If you don't know, I'm sure you know, but if you don't, there's a whole Black Lives Matter movement going on, and it's really just to end racism and to end police brutality and really give justice to those families and individuals who have lost their lives to such a serious matter. And being an African-American woman in this world and just be wanting to be treated equally, Black Lives Matter always, will forever. And if you feel like you need to support this movement, which I would hope you would, please protest, sign petitions, donate to the families who are suffering from these tragedies. It would just mean a lot to me. I hope y'all are doing well, and I hope y'all are being safe, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Love y'all. Hey you guys!
What's up, guys?
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna Simone. Thank you for tuning in today. So today we're going to
Atlanta.
I was waiting for you to
the
see.
ATL,
okay.
honey.
Period. So my dad hooked us up with the car. Oh my god, how do I flip this?
She's having some technical difficulties because she just got her camera. No more vlogging on the phone and recording on the phone. Sis is coming up. Okay, so we just about to, you know, show her the car.
Yeah.
Can you see the
car?
Can you see the car?
Should I flip it? So this is the baby. We're rocking the Honda Accord. I think it's another 2020. Y'all can see the license plate. She's a Touring 2.0. So we finna fly down there. Yeah, y'all. This is the inside too. All black interior.
All black,
Love
all black,
that.
all black.
So let's go. Ooh, look who it is. We lead. Having Sharon. Hey, for your girl. Why are you yelling? Why are you yelling? Okay, got you.
Oh, that's a nice little car.
Thank you.
Where the light at? So we in Walgreens right now. They had to use the bathroom because they obviously don't know how to pee before you get in the car to go on a road trip. Yeah, they left me in the car, so I had to take the camera and show y'all what's up.
Every time I cry,
I got.
Alright, y'all, so we're here. No one's paying attention. Say what's up.
I just woke up from a nap.
He look crazy. Got to go find a crib.
We made it to the motherfucker.
To the A?
Start screaming.
To the A. Yeah.
Alright guys, welcome to my crib. Welcome to the A.
House a little dark. Good to
I
go?
want to call it.
Okay.
To the light.
Yeah.
This is my
Show us
living room.
around.
This is my favorite part of the living room. I don't know why. The couch.
This is
oh my
cute.
god, who can come on this way?
Excuse me.
Turn on some light for you guys. It's a little small, but it's perfect for me. Got a little gas stove. I still don't know how to
Peep
work
the
it.
details. Okay.
Got the little updated little
What we got?
stainless steel for
Okay.
you.
This is brand
The
new.
little vinyl floors for you.
This is nice.
Look over here. Y'all know my
That's
grandma.
cute.
My grandma hooked me up. This is the room.
This is the master bedroom.
Before I get clean or whatever. Let's go outside or whatever.
Let her know, Jess. Alright, Morgan, what are we drinking? What are we drinking today?
Cognac. Tequila. We gotta hurry up.
They think they about to shut us down. They can't see.
Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter.
We about to go support the black businesses.
Protest.
Curfew at 8 o'clock.
Cheers to what? What would you?
Cheers to life.
More life,
Good
good
health.
life, good vibes.
And we need to get to Red
Success,
Crab.
Oh, yes.
Nigga.
Morgan.
Sorry.
There, she's taking a minute.
Yes, pork.
Okay, we ready to eat, y'all.
So many things I want to tell you.
It's gonna get copyright. I gotta cut this.
Say my little.
Are y'all vlogging?
We're vlogging, Jordan.
Can I be in it?
Get her in there. I'm trying.
So cute.
Hey, bye.
Her charms. So we're not doing anything tonight. We're literally watching
Netflix
a movie. I'm tired.
We had a long little day. We
Yes.
done drove, we done traveled.
Right.
We
And
done
ate.
good. We got
We
the
ate really
ideas.
So we're gonna catch y'all in the morning. Good morning, y'all.
Good morning.
It's currently, I don't know what time it
I
is.
think
I
it's like 10.
Yeah, it's like 10 and we're starting to get ready for the day.
A little day in the city, you know.
I don't know what we're doing. We just out and
Yeah,
about.
we don't really have a set plan. We're just gonna go.
Yeah, so we're just going with the flow.
We wanna be cute.
You know, take some pictures in the A.
So
I
if
look
y'all wanna
so
know
worn
what we're
out.
gonna do.
Stay tuned. So we're ready. Well,
Just about. Just about.
No.
3 out of 5. Half of the month.
This is the ooh. Yeah, these are the fits. Y'all gonna see better later though when we get outside. Cheers! Can we cheers?
Friendship.
Black Lives Matter. Period.
Alright, let's go.
We on the way to go eat finally.
I'm sitting in the front. Shot.
Shotgun.
So,
I hate when people play like
this is just letting y'all know that y'all need to wear your mask wherever y'all go and stay safe. And
Are you vlogging?
the main girl has arrived.
What are we eating? Did you tell me we're at?
Yeah.
Joy.
Okay.
Joy Cafe.
Let's see.
Made with love, served with joy. Yes. That's what I like to do. I like to eat.
You need to take a picture with your mask on. That's so cute.
What? What the
Like
heck?
my mom.
It's so
Oh,
cute.
yeah,
Oh,
his
yeah,
mask
yeah,
is-
that's
yeah,
cute.
you do
You
gotta
should
take
today.
a pic.
My
Yeah.
mask on. They didn't see all
Yeah.
this good things that I'm getting.
Okay, that can be one of the pics though.
Just one of them. Alright, y'all.
Why
We're
we
gonna
have
gonna let y'all know.
water with lemon and shit.
2 more glasses maybe? Okay. And that's fresh recharge.
Cheers to a great brunch.
Cheers.
You know we had to flick it up.
Okay, flight.
Yes, ma'am. Anna Simone.
Thank you, Jess.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're about to go to the Trap Museum. I ain't never been. I've been in Atlanta like 7 times and I've never been. So, okay, Morgan. That's the mood. So we about to go there.
Now you were looking at me and I was thinking.
Y'all, we trying to figure out what we about to do. Cause Eric don't feel like going to the Trap Museum. We drove all the way here. We did. It was like, okay, forget him then. Come on, we can.
When I ride in the Suburban, was a codeine, had a young nigga swerving.
Okay, so we made it to the mall.
We at the mall.
We finna buy.
I definitely want to go to North Carolina.
Look at this, y'all. Corona.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus! Coronavirus! Shit is real! Shit is getting real!
Oh, it's a line. What you buying?
Just some studs. I needed some. What the fuck?
Look at his ears, y'all. They ain't got nothing on them. What'd you say? Your card declined.
It said we got like him.
Oh, okay. Real cute. I like that.
He stopped perfect.
He really did.
So tonight we just little simple, you know, we were hungry. 10-minute meal, 30 minutes maybe.
10.
That was a little
Okay.
We got a little spaghetti.
Get into
Little
that.
Italian night. And we, of course, you know we got the wine somewhere around here.
Somewhere wine on deck.
Right on.
On to the next movie.
On to the next movie.
Part 2 of the day.
Just a little
this light is really
bikini.
good.
It is. I don't know where Eric's going, but he's not going with us. So.
Because the person who wanted to take a nap.
Right. Oh, this is cute. Wow. Wow, it's the views for me.
I know where you gonna picture that. 'Cause wait, we gotta hurry up for the sun go down.
Okay, go ahead. Let them know who you are.
Millie Milano, you know, checking in, man, with my girl Anna. We
Okay.
just cooling, man, on some good shit. It's cool. Good vibes at all times. Control the scene. I control the scene. I love it.
We love that. Okay, you don't want to be on the camera. Twix. Come here. Oh, yay. Twix. 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 I don't think you know who he is.
I don't think so.
You know it.
Okay, wow.
Bye.
Little update for y'all guys. Y'all guys, you guys. No, you don't. You look hydrated. I feel fine.
We're the vlog, y'all. So we on here for y'all. We're at the our function. We're gonna just call it a function in Atlanta. And we're just gonna take
some
pictures.
cool people here. It's nice
Good vibes.
vibes. We're chilling.
Take us cute pictures. We don't know the vibes.
Period.
So stay tuned.
Watch out for the Instagram.
We're at Cookout, y'all. About to get some food.
We're
Come on.
out. We're getting food. We're excited to get our food. She's knocked the in the front seat. I'm lively as hell in the back seat.
We die, baby.
Alright, y'all. So we're back at the crib.
It has been a long day, as you can see.
I guess
We're tired. We got
yeah, this is
I got Eric's
Eric's
mad.
upset with us.
Per usual.
We're a little too boring for him.
But he gonna be okay. So it's a wrap for tonight, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the morning. Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. I hope y'all having a great Sunday. This isn't gonna be up on a Sunday, but just have a great day in general, and I hope y'all are feeling blessed.
Oh my bad.
So I just want to update y'all. We're about to make some breakfast, and
We need to run to the grocery
into
store and get
it.
some orange juice.
Yes, we
Or
better do that
mimosas.
too. All right, let's get it. Alright, so me and Eric, we came to the mall because we're on a secret hunt for our friend.
For a nice little birthday gift.
Yeah,
So, you know.
so that's what we're, oh, there's a spot right there.
We're
Oh
up
my
this
god.
spot. I know, right? Oh well.
So we gonna let y'all know we find in the mall because of course we gotta do a little
We're
shopping.
probably gonna do some shopping for ourselves as well, but whatever.
Ooh, look. Must have mask. Okay. It's been real, y'all.
Well,
I knew
friends,
y'all was about to start talking. Go ahead.
I just love you guys so much, and it's been a great weekend. And
It's time to go.
In the A.
we lit next weekend.
Oh, we
period.
litty though. We litty though.
So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button.
We got more heat coming.
And keep tuned for
More
part
heat
2
coming,
because
y'all.
next week is up there.
It's
Stuck
the
there.
movie.
Bye,
It's that
y'all.
movie.
Bye.